Good morning. Saying that it's really a good morning. Good. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Sabog ko. Good morning. Good morning. 1 p.m. Kaya sa heart pero sa tiil, marami kinit siya mag-rest for about 3 minutes. Kaya maram balik for 2 km. Hinay lang ko ron. I'm done with 2 km na. So my goal today is 3 km at least. May apple walking, jog lang. Huh. Okay ra akong heart pero akong tiil gid may problem. Hindi na ako gid mo-stretch. Padali. It's already 5:58. Okay, let's go. Let's go for 3 km. Come on. Nagsagol lang ba singot og perfume. Let's go. Wow, worse. 3 km for today. Si Ugma mag-road run me. Na ako na-recruit di sa Boulevard. Road run is fun. First time. I did it early. Grabe. Kapoy na lang yun. Alright, bye-bye.